Hello everyone. Our paper title is Unified Approach to Mesh Saliency, Evaluating Textured and Non-Textured Meshes through VR and Multifunctional Prediction. We come from Shanghai Jiao Tong University. In digital age, 3D models have become an indispensable tool in many industries, and mesh models are one of the most important forms. A 3D mesh is a grid structure composed of numerous interconnected points and lines, capable of accurately presenting the 3D shape and surface details of an object. Texture mapping, coordinate transformation, and other complex rendering techniques are computationally intensive and cumbersome. So in applications such as mesh saliency and game LOD, improving the storage and rendering efficiency of textured meshes while maintaining visual quality is crucial. Therefore, extracting key information from 3D models while preserving visual perception quality is a major research focus in computer graphics. To incorporate human perceptual insights into mesh processing, 3D mesh saliency provides a metric for analyzing the importance of regions on a 3D surface in alignment with human visual perception. Here are three contributions of our paper. We establish a comprehensive mesh saliency dataset to explore how geometric structures and texture patterns influence visual attention in both non-textured and textured 3D models. We propose a unified saliency prediction model that efficiently handles both non-textured and textured meshes, enhancing applicability across various 3D environments. Our model demonstrates strong generalization and performance improvements validated through visual features like geometry, vertex color, and texture complexity. Benefiting from advancements in VR technology, visual space provide solution to real-world challenge. In previous research, many explorations are conducted using VR dataset and eye tracker to capture participants' eye head movement and gaze data while watching VR video. Traditional mesh saliency studies relies on screen-based eye trackers to collect 2D eye movement data, which was then projected into 3D space. Here we conduct an experiment to capture gaze data for 3D models using VR headsets and eye trackers. We have established a paired saliency dataset for non-textured and textured meshes, involving 60 participants in eye tracking experiments, and we provide the experimental environment setup within the Unity visual space. Next, we propose process the experimental data by calculating the intersection points between the gate rays and the mesh models. We can determine where the gate is focused on the object. First, we use the velocity-based classification algorithm to filter the gate rays. Then, the ray triangle intersection algorithm and Cramer rule are applied to solve for the intersection points. The first intersection point of the gate ray with the mesh model at the same viewpoint is defined as the fixation point. After obtaining the fixation point map, we apply a Gauss-Korn smoothing over the entire surface to generate the saliency map. For the dataset, we conduct a detailed data analysis and present the statistical the average fixation points under both the non-textured and textured conditions. By analyzing the saliency intensity correlation under both conditions, we found that the geometric structure plays a dominant role in the saliency contribution, while the influence of texture is relatively small. Regardless of the whether texture applied, saliency is primarily determined by the geometric shape. Through example-based analysis, we can infer that compared to mesh with a single color compressed texture and have a greater impact on the saliency distribution of the mesh. Then, through the analysis of the relationship between geometry, texture, and saliency, we found that compared to texture complexity, changes in geometric structure typically show a higher correlation with saliency. Therefore, we can conclude that in most detailed meshes, the geometric structure plays a dominant role in determining the saliency distribution, while the influence of texture is relatively minor. Then we present a model designed to predict saliency map for both non-textured and textured mesh surface. The saliency prediction is performed at the triangle face level. Whether each face is aligned saliency value that reflects its importance on the local surface. As illustrated in figure, the model is composed of a texture extraction model, a geometric extraction model, and a future fusion model. The future fusion model integrates the feature and the geometric feature to produce the maps. Here is the textured extraction model and the geometric feature, extraction model, and the texture aligned model. Then we conduct experiment on our build non-textured and textured mesh saliency dataset. Here is the experiment result and visualization. At the same time, we also conduct experiment on Sol 3D dataset, and also we give a ablation study and some filler cases. As a result, we give some mesh simplification results with quadratic-based algorithm and saliency-based simplification. That's all.